sister?
My sister's in 2 years old.
Oh, okay. What's her name?
Her name is Alessandra.
Okay. Her middle name is Alexandra, but her middle name is Jasmine. No, her sister. Her sister's name is Jasmine, but her middle name is Alexandra, and she just said her name was Alexandra. She's very funny. Aren't you funny?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. Let's do...
Two, three. I'm special.
Annika, can you do it?
1, 2, 3. I'm special.
She said she's special. She told all your girls.
You other 2-year-old girls, you better watch out.
Because this little one is just on fire.
So I have something for you, Annika.
Here's a grandma.
Annika, look. What's that?
What's this?
What's this?
It's a phone.
Whose is it?
It's mine.
Oh, Annika has a little cell phone. Everybody can see that. Okay. And now she's going to be talking to her friend.
Take a picture.
She's going to take a picture of all of us right now.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Okay. Now, Annika, look.
I have somebody else for you.
Oh, thank you.
Who's that?
The baby bear.
Oh, can you show everybody your baby bear? Show everybody your baby bear.
Show everybody your baby bear.
Show everybody.
Woo. Oh, that's Annika's little baby bear. That's Annika's little baby bear. She loves it very much.
Thanks.
Annika, so who are your friends?
Who's your friends?
You're her friend.
Oh, thank you. And look who's behind you, Annika. There's Balthazar.
Look at the dinosaur.
Annika, am I your friend?
Beetle.
Vito. She just said Vito.
Is Seraphim your friend?
Yeah, just a little dog.
Am I your friend?
The friend.
Is Miss Dora your friend?
No, that's not alright.
Oh,
Am I your bestest friend, Annika?
ha! She said no. Yes, you did.
Am I your friend, Annika?
Space. Hey, plankton.
No, let her sit right there. Let her sit in the middle circle.
So, I think Annika's running out of things to say. So,
We're gonna be
We're
back
gonna go
in
now.
a flash.
yeah.
Say
With
bye, Annika.
another musical production.
Say bye, Annika.
Bye.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. And Aaliyah, show